Hi, I'm Nadine Jessen, and I teach at the DMAC Carroll campus. I teach chemistry and physics, and the course that I'm going to talk about today is Intro to Chemistry. Intro to Chemistry is a really great class to take as far as transferability. It will transfer to almost anywhere, and if you are a senior and looking to go on to college, it would be a great class to take. If you're going to be just a business major or any kind of a liberal arts major, it will transfer in as a lab credit, which is something that you're going to need. So it'll cross off that science credit that you're going to need when you transfer in. If you're going into any kind of a health career, this is the course that you need to take. So if you're going into nursing, or if you're going into med tech, or pretty much any kind of a healthcare field, this is the chemistry class that's going to be required for you. If we think about DMAC, this is the course that all the nursing nursing students are going to take. My daughter went into nutrition. This was the course that she needed to take. So whether you're going into science or not, this is just a really good transfer course. If you're going to go into science, particularly like if you're going to be a chemistry major or a physics major, or if you're going to be a doctor or a vet, it would be a good course that would get you ready for general chemistry that you'd have to take later in college. So, like I said, it's just a really good transfer course. So this course is going to involve learning chemistry, and if you've had chemistry in high school, it's going to be a lot of that plus more. We're going to go a little bit faster than what you would have had in high school. You're not required to have any chemistry in high school, so you can take it without having any background. It's going to involve assignments and homework. There's going to be a lab component where we're going to do a lab every week, and then you'll have labs that you'll submit. And then there's going to be tests that you're going to take. So that's pretty much it. Every week you would have an assignment to do, a homework assignment on the material that week. There would also be a lab that you'd have to work on, and then every 2 to 3 chapters there'll be a test that we'll take. So that's pretty much all that's involved in chemistry. Obviously, I think chemistry is a great subject area to take. You learn a lot, and anybody who likes hands-on things, the lab does give you that that availability to do things hand-on, which I think really helps you understand the material better. If you have any questions, email is a great way to contact me. My email is N as in Nancy, K Jessen, Jessen, @dmac.edu. Thank you.